I'm going to go back a step then, and I'm going to say, well, actually, what if I just want to reuse this? I'm building a resource and I want to reuse this piece of maths. Could I do that? And here's where we can tie these things up. So if I go back to my document, okay, and we're just going to scroll down this document. So let's go to this question. It's just a PDF. That's all it is. And we open Equatio and we take Screenshot Reader and we can just drag a box over that particular question. And you'll see how we can use this in just one sec. But now it's taken the maths from an inaccessible PDF. It's grabbed it. It's given me the correct maths notation, and I can copy it as LaTeX. Okay, so I've copied it to my clipboard as LaTeX. And if I were to go back to my document, I can now open a button that I haven't needed to go near before, which is my LaTeX editor. Okay. And what I can do is I can just paste the LaTeX that it's grabbed, and that inaccessible maths content from PDF has been accurately grabbed. It's not a screenshot. It's accurately grabbed. It's now accessible. And you know what? Now it's in my document. So now I have access to that maths from a PDF. I'm just going to resize that. So now I have that in my document. That's grabbed from a PDF. Same would be true if I needed to grab some content from a web page. So for sake of argument, I always use, for sake of simplicity, I should say, I always use this web page because it gives me multiple levels of different complexities of maths. Okay. So what you'll find here is Equatio's found all the maths. That's why there's a blue line around all of them. So if I wanted to take something as advanced as this, and I wanted to grab it and put it into my own resource, I could capture maths. It OCRs it, it scans it, it now converts it and displays it into accurate maths. And I could go copy LaTeX just like I did before. And I could now go into my LaTeX editor. I'm going to get rid of the last thing that was there. I'm just going to paste it. And now all of that is inserted into my document. Now this is going to insert it massively because I'm still on the very large font size. So I can, of course, resize it. It's pixel perfect as I go. So that'll insert that directly into the document. But also remember, I could have edited it there as well. So there's it in the document, and I'm just going to have to make it a whole lot smaller for you. So I'll make it smaller, and that is there. Remember, that now is fully accessible. But coming back to where I started from today, which is not only is it accessible, it's reusable. So we can reuse it anywhere that we want.